I actually wrote this poem about a year and a half ago, and it was inspired by Psalm 42. Dry lips, cracked and bleeding. Dry mouth, tongue sticking. Dry skin, pulled tight. Parched land, longing for water. Parched crops, wilted and dying. As the deer pants for streams of water, so my soul longs for you. Only you can heal my lips, quench my thirst, nourish my skin, bring water to our land, save our crops from dying. I want more of you. Only you can satisfy. I want living water, grace like rain. My soul longs for you in a dry land where there is no water. Every fiber of my being longs for your touch. Where can I meet you? When can I fly to your arms? For only when I am in your arms, feeling your heartbeat, hearing your voice, touching your face, kissing your feet, will my thirst be quenched and my heart satisfied.